Hi, and welcome back to the cafe. So I have something that I think is pretty fun. These videos I made a very long time ago and they got lost deep into the videos in my channel, but I'm going to go ahead and link this playlist below in the description box. These are marbled watercolor paper series, and I experimented with these and I created 8 of them, and I want to do a flip through of these. And the tutorials are pretty short. They're anywhere between like 8 and 15, 16 minutes a piece for these. So like I said, I'll link that if you're interested, but I have been looking at old videos and looking at old artwork. So this is kind of a little bit of a revisit of some of my old stuff, and I'm so excited to come across it because we do so much artwork and then we forget a lot of the stuff that we've done, at least I do. So here's this one here. This is one of my favorites. This is the very first one, and I don't think these are in order. I just dug for these in my little Tupperware and found them. So I'm just going to show you each one here. This one is so cool too. And I used resist, and then I also used paint to do the veining and salt. And oh man, I want to do some more artwork like this. And if you guys like this stuff, please let me know, because I'm very interested in doing some, what I'm inspired by looking at these is not so much making more marbled papers, but using these same color combinations and doing some mark making watercolor abstract pieces. So let me know what you think down below if you're interested in seeing videos like that. I think all of these color combinations are so beautiful. I really love these, and these are all, I think these are all from my Kiritake watercolor set, and I have a pretty big one, so I will dig that out and we will play with it. I am fighting a cold. So I'm like, well, I'm sick, I can film. I can stay away from people and film. This one has a lot of bronze in it, and I think that's beautiful. I love to use metallic watercolors. The only thing that kind of makes me sad about the metallics is they don't always translate well into prints or digital kits, that kind of stuff. So, but on the originals, the metallics are stunning. I really like this color combination with these pale purples and the green. I think it's a very earthy combination. I'm so excited about these. I was laying in bed the other night, and I was like, I'm just gonna go over to my channel, and I haven't done that in a long time. And I popped over there and was like, oh, I forgot all about these. I wonder where they're at. And I was really glad to be able to find them. I am pretty organized for an artist, which is tough to do. This is all resist on this one that I did the veining with, and that is a fun way to work. So this is the last one, this blue and gray. And I love all the blooms and all the things that happen when you put more wet watercolor on top of watercolor that's drying. I'm very into the textures that watercolor can create. So let me know. I'm very excited about doing some mixed media mark making style artwork with these color combos. Anyway, check these out, and I think you'll like them. They are older and they're all pretty quick. I had some trouble with my fine liner, and I took a long time to explain it in one of the videos. It was a little annoying, so you can fast forward through it, but it kept bubbling. And the way to fix it is to just take that fine liner tip and run it along the wet resist while it's wet and just smooth it. That's the solution. And it took me a long time to explain it because I was just experimenting at the time. So I lost a little patience with it. But anyway, these are so cool. And I am really glad I came across them. And thank you so much for popping in and taking a look. I'll see you real soon. Have a great day.